My favorite thing about German medicine is that the symptom always follows the completion of a thought. So you resolve a conflict of thought in your mind, and then a symptom will follow. So it's very opposite to what Western medical system often presents to us, is that we have to fix the symptoms and heal from them constantly. Now, there are caveats to like hanging healing symptoms, and if you're falling onto the same conflict track is what they call them. But if you resolve something, a specific thought pattern that you've been stepping on previously, and then finish it, it's like magic. It's like, oh, there's the swelling, there's the inflammation, there's the healing symptom. And so it's so fascinating because in the last couple of days I've had 2 little flare-ups, or healing symptoms, and one of which was a toothache, and then the other one was a disc in the back. And so one had to do with my foundation feeling a little shaky about certain conversations that I had had with my partner, and he's also experiencing similar symptoms, which was fun to reflect on. And then 2 is the teeth, and teeth are bite conflicts. So if you feel like you need to bite back on something, whether it is you didn't say something you wanted to say in the moment, or you're feeling something or ruminating on something, the cavitation or the feeling of a toothache represents that. And so I recognized myself in a thought loop around feminine and masculine dynamics, and I was hyper fixating on what it would be like to be more balanced, to have more of each in my day-to-day experience. And I couldn't help but laugh when I was like, wow, I was ruminating on these things, and then I figured it out. I was like, okay, do a little bit of this, do a little bit of that, don't overdo it here. And then, like magic, my body responded to that and released the thought pattern through the symptom that I experienced. So this is a little bit longer forum, but it's fun to share real life tangible experiences that are in relation to German medicine and how I use it in my real life every single day, and just sharing the magic of it. So I hope you enjoy.